I took the long road home, past the trees and the jackrabbits in the weeds. I took the long road home, just to see what I could see. Well, it was a big wide world out there.
Alright guys, this is a very impromptu sort of cell phone video. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know what this is. I've done a video, and I'll put a card up here, about the sort of emergency heater, right? Go look at the date of that. That's when I made this. I know a couple years after that, I checked it probably on a good yearly basis. Didn't add any fluid, and doing the same thing that I'm doing right now, where I'm basically taking the can opener that I have taped here. I'm not sure I can do this with one hand. I'm making an absolute mess. There we go. As you see, I made one for each of the family. This is mine, as my name is Cody. I do have a lighter there, but I've got a second torch that I keep with it, so I'm just going to leave that on there. And you guys are going to see, forgive me for the shaking and miserable video quality, but we're doing a little late night installation of the bus. Just getting ready to kind of clean up for the night. And the other thing I have to do is we're going to be installing one of those cheap Chinese diesel heaters in here. And got me thinking, how quickly will this, if it even works, because I have not checked this in years. Oh, yep, nope, still wet. Should fire up. I'll give you a picture outside, but we currently have one of our big snowstorm. They're calling it a cyclonic bomb. I don't know what a cyclonic bomb is, but it has something to do with such an extreme low pressure change. This system coming down from Alaska, we're supposed to have 70-mile-an-hour winds hitting the coast of Oregon, and then over here we're only going to get like 10 inches or something. But it's the lack of visibility, the blowing snow, and the wind combined with, I think, 4 degrees Celsius is our average temperature this coming up week, and then it warms up to like 20 or something. And then we should be above freezing a little bit next week. But there you go. My emergency heater. Go look at that video. It's literally toilet paper roll with the center pulled out, punched into a little quart can, and then I use 70% isopropyl. Now I brought this because I was going to top it off because I thought it was going to be dry. Go look at the date of that video. It's got to be 6 years old now. I think 2008 is when I made this. I haven't looked at the video, just going off of memory here. So 09, 010, I may have checked it. So it hasn't been checked 9 years, something like that. So we're in 2019 now. And yeah, current state of the bus. I've still got a couple panels to fill in. I still have this ceiling panel to insulate. Otherwise, getting closer to being fully insulated, at least 1.5 inches. We'll talk about that in a different video. This is just kind of impromptu. Not sure if I'll even post this, but emergency heater, guys. Putting together some vehicle kits. Obviously, the holidays are coming up. Be prepared. Take care of your family. If you get run off the road, have a way of heating the vehicle. I'm going to let this go for a while since I've got extra alcohol to top it off, and we're going to see how quickly it warms up the bus. Now, I've done lots of tests with this. This is a metal fridge. However, I have tested this in, standard plastic, sort of fake leather center consoles in cars. You really have to be careful just with the distance of the flame to the headliner because obviously the heat rises here. 70% isopropyl, doesn't smoke as much as 90, as well as even, an hour into this thing, the bottom doesn't get hot. The outside doesn't seem to get hot. So I've never worried about melting it. Now, if you want to add something in your kit that keeps it, in case you splash a little bit, or obviously if you have pets or kids, knocking this over would be a huge mistake. So you do have to be careful about this. This is no joke. You got live fire in your car, which is your only shelter if you are stuck in the winter. Yeah, just be careful. But I've done lots of testing with this, and I'm happy to say this is still one of my favorite go-tos for emergency kit preparedness for winter vehicle use. But Wander and Beast, guys, take care. We'll see you down the road. Give me comments below if you want to see what the vehicle kits that I'm putting together. Take care.
Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on the road.